Hello, students. I would like to welcome you all on the third lecture of your chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting. Today, we will going to discuss two important concepts. The first one is accounting is an art or science, and the second one is system of accounting. So, first of all, we should know is accounting is an art or science. Students, accounting is an art as well as science. See, art is a technique which helps us to achieve our desired objective. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing the financial transaction. It helps us in knowing the profitability and the financial position of the business, that is the balance sheet. Any organization is organized knowledge based on certain basic principles is a science. Accounting is also a science and it is an organized knowledge based on certain basic principle that we will going to discuss on chapter 3rd theory base of accounting. Now we will going to discuss the next topic, that is system of accounting. There are two basic system of accounting named as double entry system and single entry system. Double entry system of accounting is a system of accounting under which both debit and credit aspect of accounting are recorded. A transaction has two aspects, debit and credit. At the time of recording a transaction, one aspect is recorded on the debit side and other aspect is recorded on the credit side. For example, at the time of cash purchase, goods are received and in return cash is paid. In the transaction, two aspects are involved, that is receiving goods and paying cash, and under the double entry system both the aspects are recorded. One part, that is the receipt of goods, is debited and the second part, that is payment of cash, is credited. In the other word, if only two accounts are affected, one account building is debited and the other account cash is credited for the same amount. Now we can say that the system which recognize and record both aspects of transaction is called double entry system. Let us talk about single entry system. Account from incomplete record or single entry system of recording transaction in the book of account may be defined as incomplete double entry system, in which system all transactions are not recorded on double entry basis. In some transactions both aspects of transactions are recorded, while in other either one aspect is recorded or not recorded at all. Instead of maintaining all the accounts, only personal accounts and cash book are maintained under this system. The accounts maintained under this systems are incomplete and unsystematic, and therefore it called incomplete system or a single entry system. Thank you so much.